This land has been idle for over 7 years. The resumption of construction this year. This project is located in Xuzhou. The project was originally a commercial square. Construction began in July 2012. The original plan was to open on New Year's Day in 2015. But due to the funding chain rupture of the original developer, it was officially suspended in March 2016. It was auctioned off in December last year, to be taken over by a new developer. After being idle for 7 years, the project resumed construction in August this year, expected to be completed by the end of 2024. The total project area is 15,095.9 square meters. The building area is 58,160 square meters. Due to the long idle time at the building, it leads to the aging of the building structure. And the original load-bearing design is no longer able to meet the current requirements. Therefore, it is necessary to reinforce the beams, slabs, walls, and columns in the building structure as a whole. The materials used in the project are all-horse construction carbon fiber sheet. The negative first floor of the project is themed around tea culture, continuing the theme of tea culture on the first floor, and gradually transition to the second, third, and fourth floors. The fifth floor is mainly used for hotel offices. After completion, it will undoubtedly become a new landmark for commercial activities in Gusum.